In this video, I'm going to tell you about something that pool owners absolutely love. I'm a swimming pool specialist. I've been a part of countless swimming pool projects. And after the fact, people come back to you and you tend to learn a little bit. Like, for example, I know that slides, a pool slide is awesome. It sounds really cool. It's very expensive. A lot of people will come back after the fact, year 3, year 5, they're like, "Yeah, I can't remember the last time somebody used it," which is crazy because it costs so much money. So unless you're, like, wholeheartedly dedicated to this pool slide thing, like, maybe you could go ahead and skip on that one. But what is something that after the fact, people always say, "Oh, really happy about this. I don't regret any of this money that we allocated in this particular aspect," because there is something that I can name. That thing is steps, access, or entryways into the pool. So this could include benches, bench seating, things like that. Maybe we're talking an end-to-end set of steps into the pool where people can kind of lounge or hang out, or maybe a set of acrylic or fiberglass stairs which are attached to an existing pool wall, something like that. These are all expensive. All of them are super expensive options to attach to swimming pools. I mean, if you have a swimming pool installed, they're all going to come with access so you can get in and out of the pool safely. But it's going to come with the minimum version of that. And that's what I'm talking about. Let's say you don't want the minimum version. You want more pieces of flair than that. And when you add them to the pool, they get really expensive really quickly, just like the slides and the diving boards and all these other things that you're spending on. But nobody complains about those steps. No matter how much money I see people spend on steps, access, entry points, benches, ledges, things like that, nobody complains about it. Everybody loves them. Everybody uses them. You can't imagine the pool without them. Yes, they're expensive, but that's one of those areas that, in my professional opinion, is worth investing in. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.